Okay, hello and welcome again to the fascinating, exciting world of chemistry. We're looking at completing chemical reactions. Now, this is the last step in putting together all the processes we looked at so far. So, if we look at completing chemical reaction, we have to be given the reactants. All right. Now, remember, there are 5 types of chemical reactions: synthesis, decomposition, single placement, double placement, combustion. Look at what we have here. Ba is barium, that's an element. Aln is a compound, so that's an element and a compound. That would be single replacement. If we identify single replacement, remember the metal or non-metal replaces the metal or non-metal in the other element. So you can see the cation. The barium here is going to replace the aluminum. So we're going to put Ba with N. Then we have to remember oxidation numbers. Oxidation number of barium is +2. Nitride is -3. Doesn't equal 0, so swap them down. Ba3, N2. Aluminum is the odd man out. So we go through barium, balancing metals first. Barium's 3, and 1 and 3, so put a 3 here. Aluminum 1 and 1, we're good there. Nitrogen 1 and 2, so we put a 2 over here. We just messed up our aluminums, put a 2 there. That's our reaction. Let's look at the next one. Okay, now you look at this and go, oh, C3H8 is a compound, O2 is an element, therefore this is single replacement, same thing. No, because remember that's a hydrocarbon, there's no metals in those. So therefore, a hydrocarbon plus oxygen, that's combustion reaction. Remember, the products of combustion reaction are always carbon dioxide, CO2, plus H2O. Now to balance it up, we have 3 carbons, 1 carbon, put a 3 there. 8 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, put a 4 there. Oxygens, 2 on the reactant side. 3 times 2, 6 oxygens on the product side, plus 4 times 1, 4 oxygens, 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 number times 2 is 10, would be 5. There's a balanced reaction. All right, let's go to the next one. Mg and N2. Both Mg and N2 are elements. Therefore, if they're both elements, this is a synthesis reaction. We have synthesis, we're going to slam them together. Mg and N. Check our oxidation numbers. Magnesium is +2. Magnesium is -3. Cross them down. Mg, 3, and 2. Magnesium's 1 and 3, so I'm going to put a 3 here. Nitrogen's 2 and 2. We're good to go. That's balanced. All right, 2 more to do here real quickly. All right, we're going to put in, we have AlPO3, that's a compound. Na2SO4, that's a compound. So compound and compound, 2 compounds, double replacement reaction. All right, so we're going to swap partners. The cation, Al, and the anion, the cation on the other one is Na. My anions are the polyatomics PO3 and SO4. So we're going to swap those partners. Al is going to go with SO4. Oxidation numbers, aluminum is +3, sulfates -2, doesn't equal 0. Swap them down. Al2 parentheses SO4 3 times, plus Na is going to go with PO3 +1 -3, Na3PO3. Let me go through aluminums 1 and 2. Put a 2 here. Nitrates 2 and 3. That's 6. So we're going to 3 and 2. Now I can either do each individual element down non-metal, hydrogen, and oxygen, or I can remember these don't change. So PO3, PO3. I have 2. I have 2. That's good. SO4. I have 3. I have 3. That's good there. All right. Last one on this page then. All right. Wait a minute. That's decomposition because only 1 compound. All right, so we have to remember real quick those 3 special cases we talked about: metallic hydroxides from metallic oxide plus water, metallic carbonates produce metallic oxide plus carbon dioxide, metallic chlorates produce metallic chloride plus oxygen. This is a hydroxide. So we said it forms the metal oxide, and check our oxidation numbers: +3 -2 doesn't equal 0. Swap them down. And then water is the other product. Balancing it up, Al1, Al2. So we're going to put a 2 here. This does change, so we're going to check it. 3 times 2 is 6. 2, put a 3 here. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 and 3, that's balanced from there. All right, now I'm going to ask you to write those down. We'll do those in class together, and then you'll practice that with a partner in class. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Take care. Be good. Bye.